Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Midjourney on mobile in 2026. So if you want to create AI images directly from your phone, this guide will walk you through the basics. First, open your mobile browser or the app you use to access Midjourney and sign in to your account. Make sure your account is active and ready to generate images. Next, navigate to the Midjourney workspace where you can enter prompts and manage your creations. Take a moment to get familiar with the mobile layout. Once you're in the image generation area, tap the prompt box and type a description of the image you want to create. Try to be specific about the subject, style, lighting, and other details. Finally, keep practicing prompt writing and image editing techniques. So, the more you use Midjourney on mobile, the easier it becomes to create high-quality AI artwork from anywhere. And that's it. That's how to use Midjourney on mobile in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.